These are the gatherers that will be assisting you later. You may call me Kembe. So please take a quick look around. I know what you're thinking, but all this looks like just a lot of old junk. Let me assure you of something. Some of it is new junk. I'll explain why, I promise. We call ourselves the gatherers because we search the galaxy for ancient relics in forgotten places, abandoned outposts, battle-ravaged systems. What we find, we bring in here. So a stormtrooper might just see worthless clutter, but those who know see priceless history. For in these troubled times, preserving our past may just ensure our future. I trust you've all heard the legends of Luke Skywalker?
Yes.
Yes? Excellent. We hear now there is another. A new Jedi. Do you know her name?
Yes.
What is it?
Rey.
Rey, yes. A scrapper just like us. And what Rey is now leading? Well, that is the spark of hope that we've been waiting for. And now she's why you're all here, to look ahead and to build this. A lightsaber. The lightsaber has been wielded by our greatest heroes and darkest enemies. Elegant, enigmatic. To build a lightsaber is an art. The saber then becomes a reflection of its builder with the force flowing between them. This evening, you will feel that connection. So I think enough talk. Yes. Let's begin with the most important element of a lightsaber, the kyber crystal. Able to focus the energy of the force, to magnify it. Some say the kyber crystal is the heart of a lightsaber. The color of the crystal determines the color of the saber's blade. We've seen these in the greatest Jedi legends in history. The blue crystal, favored by great Jedi Master Obi-Wan Kenobi, his apprentice Anakin Skywalker and Rey. Green, Qui-Gon Jinn, Padawan Ahsoka Tano, Master Yoda himself, and Luke Skywalker. Violet, a beautiful, very rare crystal, favored by Jedi Master Mace Windu. And because there must be balance, red. Often called the crystal of power, favored by Darth Maul, Asajj Ventress, Darth Vader, and now Kylo Ren. But all these are stories of the past. We are here for you, our future. So it's now time for you to select your kyber crystal, the heart of your lightsaber. So builders, close your eyes. Indulge me, close your eyes and picture your kyber crystal in your mind. What color calls to you? It is likely the crystal itself is choosing you. Good, open your eyes and select your kyber crystal.
Do you see your crystal? Do you see your crystal? Oh, no. You want to green? Green. You see your crystal? Wait for me as well. Yep, you green.
Wow, we have another green over here. Thank you, my friends. You're all seeing things before they happen. That is a Jedi trait. The green blade of Master Kid Fisto. Good. Builders, carefully place those crystals into that green crystal holder right there in front of you. Perfect. So it is now time to begin the construction of your hilts. The gatherers are placing before you now the selection you previously made. From there, you will select the precise components of your choosing to produce your custom hand-built lightsaber. So before we begin building anything, just look into the box. you'll see the chassis. On the other side are activation plates. We'll then select 2 of the 4 grips before affixing a blading cutter. Finally, a pommel cap. Building a lightsaber is a personal journey. The gatherers and I are here to guide you through every part of the process. So builders, let me ask you something. Are you ready?
Yes.
Good. Then let's build.
Welcome travelers, my name is Richard. I'm going to help you out today. So first things first, we're going to grab that chassis. On your chassis you'll see the red and blue marking. The side with the blue is going to be the side with the spring. So we're going to take our kyber crystal and load it into that spring side as you push with both hands and guide it so that it clicks into the center. Once it is centered, we can flash the part of the crystal. Alright, excellent. Next we're going to get one dimension set and activation switch. I'm going to switch out with you.
See on the inside of it is a blue
Yep.
Oh, okay. Square on the Alright,
excellent. Next, you each are going to get one set of activation plates. Inside those plates, one has red, one has blue. You're just going to line up the red right on the red, and the blue right on the red.
Perfect. That's it. That's the crystal singing to me.
Excellent. Next, you each are going to choose any 2 of these 4 sleeves. On yours, you want to make sure the gold ring goes in first. On yours, you want to make sure the white silver ring goes in first.
The white goes in first towards me. Just like that. That's where I have the dry
and then tighten out, push in, and twist same time. And then to tighten it on, you're just going to push in towards the switch as well. That's one good. Excellent. Lines up perfectly. When you can say that, I'm moving more these emitters on the sides.
No, gira. O sea, lo metes y gira.
Excellent. Next, for the top, you're going to get one of these 2 emitters.
This is the top? Oh, okay.
just like that. You twist it with a little bit of a squeeze as you twist it.
Lovely.
No, it's perfect.
Creo que parece que había metido otra vez. No, lo has metido bien. Es que a veces cuesta un poco, ¿eh? No, pero ya está enganchado.
That's really stunning.
Yes.
How's it feel?
Really good.
Really good. Can I tell you a little thing about that's bantha hide? I don't know if it translates. You know the bantha?
Yes.
Yeah.
The bantha.
It's a bantha farm here on Batu. And then the wood is called brylark, which only grows on Kashyyyk. The Wookiees. The Wookiee system. The only known Wookiee Jedi, to my knowledge, was a youngling about his age called Gamgee. He had exactly that wood in his lightsaber. As recommended by Professor Boyang.
How's it feel?
Really good.
Would you like to make any changes? Any changes?
No.
Okay, do you mind touching that? Alright, well done. When home base is activated, you're going to slide the switch up, deactivate, slide back down.
Okay, thank you.
Congratulations.
¿Qué pasa? ¿Tiene trama o qué? La pieza parece que no.
Oh, no, you would have done.
Que a veces las piezas no terminan de encajar.
Okay, mate, let's say so that we're going to activate. You're going to slide all the way up to activate and all the way down to the activate. Just make sure not to pull on it, okay?
¿Arreglado? Luego se puede apretar.
Yeah, they came together, didn't they, my master's Jedi? Elegantly done. Congratulations.
Thank you.
How do they feel right? Yes?
Yes.
Like an extension of your arm? Perfect. You'll be ready to take the trials with those gentlemen if you haven't already.
Sí, lo que me jode es que esto está a diestro.
Oh, yes.
Y entonces ahora...
That's amazing, my friends. These notes are perfect. Just for a moment, focus on your creation and simply breathe. You've completed these perfect hilts, and nothing catastrophic or traumatic has happened. Yet. So if everybody could take a giant but careful step back. Thank you, my friends. Just for a moment. But make no mistake, and really it's the bantha in the room, that this is the most dangerous part of this entire process. As this skilled team of gatherers very carefully and meticulously prepares your hilts for their first activation within these specially designed crystal stabilization chambers. Now are you ready to take your first steps into a larger...
Well done. Chosen the part with skill you have. Chosen with heart. When joined they are, much more they will become. For you, it is time.
Master Yoda. Yes, it is time. Time for the bond between Builder and Saber to be forever forged. In a moment, I'll ask the Builders to take a step forwards, to place a hand on the hilt of their lightsaber. Then on my signal, you will activate them for the first time. Builders, are you ready?
Yes.
Move towards your sabers, my friends. Place a hand on the activation switch and activate. And raise your lightsaber. You have built a lightsaber like the Jedi. And the inevitable two Sith before you. Like them, you could change the galaxy, for it only takes a spark. Deactivate and lower the lightsaber.
Complete your lightsaber is. Light your path, it can. Choose your path. Only you can. May the Force be with you.
Thank you, Master Yoda. Builders, in your hands you now hold remarkable power. And remarkable power should not be dropped on the ground. To protect your sabers, we're pleased to offer a saber sheath as you depart. For our time is now at an end, but yours is just beginning. It's time to make your mark on the galaxy. You are as unique and as extraordinary as the lightsabers you have created. And next time, we could be telling your stories. Raise your sabers and activate! Till the spire!
Till the spire!
Which were the first groups to lead us back to the outpost? Only has the saber sheath run outside